Welcome to this review of the Bluavido Smart Android Car Mirror DVR, available now on AliExpress. This advanced device combines a rear-view mirror display, a dual-camera dash recorder, and a smart Android system, making it a perfect upgrade for your car. Powered by Android 8.1, it offers smooth performance with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM, ensuring fast operation and ample storage. The Bluavido mirror features built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to browse the internet, download apps, and update maps directly from the Google Play Store. It also includes GPS navigation, so you can enjoy accurate routes and real-time traffic updates. For safety, the system comes with ADAS Plus features, including lane departure warning system, forward collision warning system, and front vehicle movement alert, helping you drive with confidence. The dual-camera setup records both the road ahead and behind simultaneously, with resolutions of 1280 by 720 pixels and 1920 by 1080 pixels, providing clear and detailed footage for complete coverage.